Hello everyone, this is Hugo. I know it's Valentine's Day, but I'm full of hate today because in this video, I'll discuss why PewDiePie sucks. But before I do, I want to thank you all for helping me reach 20,000 subscribers. That is a lot. That's my biggest achievement in 2 years. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say about that. I just hope it continues to grow, and yeah. Also, I would like to plug my channel. I'm Molly. I'm doing on that channel. I'm doing pretty much a basic kind of vloggy stuff, just so I don't have to congest this channel, just to make sure there are videos I can't really post on this channel, but are more suitable for the iMold channel. Just today, I actually posted a video about the Lion King's animated storybook, and it's not a very good storybook to be honest. So go check that out and go subscribe to that channel, leave a thumbs up on the videos there, and also subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up here just to help me keep growing and all. And yeah, so I guess we have to now start talking about why PewDiePie sucks. So, number one reason, he's from Sweden and Swedish people are stupid. Second, he's from Europe and Europeans are stupid. Third, he's a gamer and gamers are stupid. Fourth, his name is Felix, which reminds me of Felix's cat, and Felix the cat is stupid, so Felix the PewDiePie guy is stupid. And number five, I hate PewDiePie so much. That's all my reasons that I hate Felix, aka PewDiePie, other than his stupid dogs, and his dogs are stupid. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention, his wife is Italian, and Italians suck. Alright, so that is all I have to say about PewDiePie. He sucks so bad you should not subscribe to him. I don't know why he has 100 million subscribers, but anyway, that's all I have. I hate you, PewDiePie. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to this video, and goodbye to this video.